AI has been there since the beginning of Google and other browsers, but now in 2023, there are a lot of things which is happening in the AI world. That's why you need to know all about AI ways to make money in 2023. Have you ever heard about making money with NFT but never earned it through it? Well, yes, I have discussed this in one of my previous videos and ways to sell NFT for free. There are plenty of ways to make money with AI, but today I am going to share something different and unique. I will share with you all about making money through publishing and selling books on Amazon, an Amazon service called KDP with the help of Midjourney. So, without wasting much time, let me share the best ways to do it without spending even a single penny. Hi, this video is about generating a passive income by creating a children's book using ChatGPT Midjourney Canva and Amazon KDP. With these tools, you'll be able to create an amazing story, generate beautiful illustrations, format your book, and publish it automatically, and all of it free of charge. As I have successfully published my own book, I understand the challenges and obstacles that can arise during the process. That's why in this video, I'll not only walk you through the 7 steps of the process, but I also share important things you need to consider in each step so that you don't have to make the mistakes. I'm ready to create that steady stream of passive income you've been longing for. Let's dive in. The first step is an idea for a story. Don't worry if you're not an expert in writing. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Let's fire it up and ask ChatGPT to generate story ideas. You can let ChatGPT come up with ideas or specify your interests and preferences. Once you find an idea you like, you can ask ChatGPT to write an outline about it, so you can develop and refine your storyline with a nice plot with well-defined characters. Ask ChatGPT to change parts or add something to the outline until you're happy with it. Okay, let's move to step 2. Obviously, it's a lot more exciting to jump right into creating a manuscript in illustrations. But setting up your basics first will save you heaps of time later. Trust me. Let's talk dimensions. A number of pages. The first thing to consider is what dimensions you want to use for your book. If you want to publish your book on Amazon, you can use Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. This is a printing on demand service, so you have no upfront costs. If you want to publish via Amazon KDP, there are industry standard trim sizes for the books. Make sure to choose one of the dimensions of this list before you start creating your design. This will save you heaps of time adjusting your book in Canva. Second thing to consider is the number of pages you want to create. If you are creating a paperback, you will need at least 24 pages, excluding the cover. For a hardcover, you'll need at least 75 pages. A few options you can consider. 1. Put the title on the first page. 2. Put your final credits on the last page. 3. Create a book with text on one side and pictures on the other. If you use these tips, you will only need 11 images for the inside of your book. Now let's fire up Canva, a free online design tool. You can find the link below. Let's say we picked the dimension 5 by 8 inches. Create a new design for the inside of your book and set your own dimensions. First, only create the inside of the book, because you'll need to upload a separate file for the cover. Tip: if you're using KDP, don't choose the standard storybook design of Canva, because it is fixed to a dimension that KDP doesn't support. Okay, now that the basics are covered, let's head over to the fun part. Let's ask ChatGPT to create a manuscript. In my case, I will instruct ChatGPT to write a manuscript of at least 12 pages. Sit back and watch it being created. Why not also ask Chat to come with ideas for illustrations for each page? Once you're excited with your manuscript and illustration ideas, it's time to take things to the next level and start crafting your book in Canva. Tip: always make sure to check for copyrights. Just type in free plagiarism checker, pick one of the list, and drop your manuscript in it. Now, let's create your illustrations. Fire up Midjourney by clicking on Join to Beta. Enter a newbie's channel on the left, and let's generate the first image. Write Imagine prompt, and after that, the description the ChatGPT gave you for the first page. Now wait a moment until you see your own pictures generated. If you're excited about one of them, you can upscale the picture, but pressing on you with the corresponding number. If you would like to see variations of one, click on Ver. The prompts challenging here are 3 tips. 1. Go to NewsHot. This website is your go-to destination for finding the perfect prompts. You find the link below. 2. Explore the amazing pictures created by other people and experiment with the prompts they are using. 3. And this really is a winning tip if you're excited about one design and you want to use it for the rest of the illustrations. Copy the link address and use in the prompts. In that way, Midjourney will create similar illustrations, ready to create an eye-catching cover that will make your book stand out. First, head over to Kip's Cover Calculator to generate a document with the perfect dimensions. You find the link below, then open up Canva and create a separate document with those same dimensions. Upload the dimension document to Canva and let your creativity soar as you bring your cover to life. Once you've finished crafting both the interior and cover, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Download both the inside of the book and the cover in Canva. And here's the tip: do not select crop marks and bleed, only flatten PDF. Now, for the last step, head over to KDP and publish your book. Need help crafting the perfect description and selecting the right keywords? Just go back to ChatGPT. Make sure to select the correct settings, upload your files, and do the final review. Curious to see how your book will look? Print task for a sample. To ensure everything looks just right, finalize your order. And just like that, your book will be available for readers around the world to enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to drop any questions below. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.